हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आज हम लोग बात करने वाले हैं कॉरपोरेट बॉन्ड इन इंडिया। ठीक है, तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। इकोनॉमिक वाइब्रेंसी कपल्ड विद सोफिस्टिकेटेड स्टेट ऑफ द आर्ट फाइनेंशियल इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर हैज़ contributed to rapid growth in the equity market in India. In terms of market features and depth, the Indian equity market ranks among the best in the world. In parallel, the government securities market has also evolved over the years and expanded, given the increasing borrowing requirements of the government. In contrast, the corporate bond market has languished both in terms of market participation and structure. The Economic Survey 2010 to 11 for the first time raised this issue, which cites many reasons for the less developed bond market in India. First, predominance of banks loans. Financial investment institutions participation is limited. Pensions and insurance companies and household are limited participants because of lack of investor confidence. Crowding out by government bonds. The survey concluded that there is now ample empirical research to corroborate Schumpeter's conjecture that financial development facilitates real economic growth. The depth of the financial markets and availability of diverse products should therefore not be treated as mere adornment, but as critical ingredient of inclusive growth. And you know the inclusive growth because I have been already studied about the inclusive growth together. Okay, so Bank in India accounted for 14.4% of financing of large firms in 2001, which rose further to 25.6% in 2021. The bond market, on the other hand, has been minuscule. The comparison as percentage of GDP, the corporate bond market is only 18% in India, as opposed to 80% in Korea and 36% in China. As per the Economic Survey 2024 to 25, the thinness of bond market has been somewhat compensated by the foreign borrowings by the Indians, which rose sharply over the last decade. Further, India is characterized by a disproportionate amount of secured borrowing. The small size of unsecured borrowing may, at first sight, not seem to be matter of concern, but it could be a reflection of the weakness of contract enforcement and lack of adequate information. If contracts were quickly enforced and lender had information on borrowers, they would be more willing to provide unsecured loan. This would extend a nimbleness to financial market, which निम्बलनेस में तो होता है एकदम मतलब एक ही बार में मतलब हक्का बक्का रह जाना सडनली मतलब शॉक लगना। निम्बलनेस बहुत ही निम्न में होता है सुन्न, एक तरीके से कोई भी चीज़ महसूस ना होना। टू द फाइनेंशियल मार्केट्स विच दे प्रेजेंटली लैक। देयर आर मैनी रीजन्स वाई बॉन्ड मार्केट आर important for an emerging economy. Prominent among these is the fact that they lead to more efficient entrepreneurship and greater value creation. When an entrepreneur takes a loan or issue bonds, all additional profit over and above the prefixed repayment amount accrues to the entrepreneur, so that he or she is better incentivized to take sharper decisions. By having a big bond market, we may be foregoing this efficiency, and further, this efficiency gap may well mean that there is a less lending and hence less investment and entrepreneurship in the economy than is feasible further as India tries to garner $500 billion from the private sector in the 12th plan for investment in the infrastructure sector. Having an active bond market would be a valuable avenue for the raising money. There can be many reasons why, despite these advantages, the bond market has not developed adequately. One reason has to do with what economists call multiple equilibria. Consider a situation where the bond market is small. If someone buys bond and later wishes to sell these off, he anticipates difficulty. Since the bond market is not active, he may not easily be able to sell the bonds and thus he will hold simply because he cannot find a buyer. Hence, this may discourage someone from buying the bonds in the first place. If everybody reasons like this, the bond market remains thin, and hence the need is for a push that nudges the market to another equilibrium where people readily buy bonds because they know that they can easily sell these off, and this become a self-fulfilling prophecy and sustains the large bond market. There is effort currently to try to boost India's debt and bond market, and success in this can provide another fillip to growth. With the intervention of Patil Committee 2005 recommendations, the corporate bond market is slowly evolving, with bank finance drying up for long-term infrastructure projects in view of asset liability problems faced by the banking system. The need for further development of a deep and vibrant corporate bond market can hardly be overemphasized. Some major initiatives for further development of corporate bond markets taken by the government in recent times are as given below. Banks are allowed to take limited membership in SEBI approved stock exchange for the purpose of undertaking proprietary transactions in the corporate bond market. Number second, to enhance liquidity in the corporate bond markets, the IRDA has permitted insurance companies to participate in the repo rate. The IRDA has also permitted insurance companies to become users of credit default swap. The minimum haircut, the existing 10% or 12%, 15% to 7.5%, 8.5%, 10% or AAA, AA positive, AA related corporate bond. वर्ल्ड बैंक के अकॉर्डिंग क्या है उसकी प्रतिक्रिया? Haircut is the difference between price at which a market maker can buy or sell a security, and the term comes from the fact that market makers can trade such a thin spread. It also means that the percentage by which an asset market value is reduced for the purpose of calculating capital requirement, margin, and collateral. When they are used as a collateral, securities will generally be devalued since a cushion is required by lending parties in case the market value falls. Fourth point क्या है? Mutual funds have been permitted to participate in corporate CDS in corporate debt security as user. The revised guidelines on CDS for corporate bonds by RBI provide that in addition to listed corporate bonds, CDS shall also be permitted on unlisted but rated corporate bonds or even for issue other than infrastructure company. Users shall be allowed to unwind their CDS bought position with the original protection shelters. A mutually agreeable or FIMMDA fixed income money market and derivative association of India price. If no agreement is reached, then unwinding has to be carried out with the original protection seller at FIMMDA. The CDS shall be permitted on securities with original maturity up to 1 year like CPs, certificates of deposits, and non-convertible debentures with original maturity less than 1 year. Till February 2025, the RBI has taken a number of measures to strengthen the corporate bond market in India. It accepted many of the recommendations of the Khan Committee August 2016 to boost investor participation and market liquidity in the corporate bond. By early 2025 March, the following measures has operationalized by Reserve Bank in India. and this will be studied tomorrow. And this is enough for the today. Thank you so much. Keep watching my videos.